Mr. Sen and Mr. O Girl are removing braces and regulators. Oh my. Regulator we need to blast and then parkerize. We covered parkerizing last time. Parkerizing's cool, huh?
We don't have extra regulators. Those are out of the back, right?
We do not have extra regulators, correct. We have 4 is all we have. Wick's got the book.
All right, so we get it loose.
The book. Wick with the book. The book. There's an O Girl. There it is. Careful. Wick, don't fall. 10
Just as Rick said.
millimeters.
Yeah. That makes sense.
He's seen his share of these things. Oh, for goodness sake.
Someone turn the damn lights off.
Turn lights off or plug lights in someplace else.
Turn out the lights.
They're LEDs. I thought they wouldn't have been such a...
Wick kicked those though once. Those been flying. That was a fun day.
Purpose?
Yes. It was the day we almost rolled that out and lit it on fire.
Oh, look. Installing this cord in the windscreen rubber molding before installation. It actually talks about that here.
Yeah, because when you put the whole thing in, it pinches it in place. So we just take it back out.
So we get to do glass again?
Probably.
Son of a bitch.
Say that again?
We get to do the window again.
It's
Because Allie has the book that says so.
because you put that in the rubber and then put it in the glass, and as it compresses, it holds that in. Which is what I thought it was, because a lot of the older cars do that. So. Right.
Didn't you even think about that?
Rubber molding
no, that's what
before
holds the glass in.
installation.
But I mean, that's easy enough.
Saying,
Yeah, I mean,
That's one of those we can replace.
Yes. What?
I need a camera that just like spins.
Just shear time.
Oh, yeah. Not surprising.
You've got
We got plenty of it.
That's that
mission things. You probably got 10 millimeters.
Yeah, we got plenty of time.
that hockey player strength, right? We'll do that.
Mask for
so
mask.
here's more of the information.
Mike's on the scraping mission. Scrapey, scrapey. Smells like oranges in here.
Go up there 60 years.
Depends.
Window can now be removed from the lower part of the door.
So I think we just roll it down and then we're going to slide it all out together in one swoop.
Ooh.
All right. So
It says here,
It says roll it down, right? And then we
engage the winder on its shaft and wind the window up, then remove the screw securing the regulator to the door
Yeah, we did that.
and wind the regulator until the guide pins are released from their channels.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
I
so
see.
they should eventually come out of that
Yeah, because
channel.
they're going to slide across. yeah.
Right.
All right. Yeah. Keep going. I'll hold it for
I
Wow.
don't know how easy that's going to come out of that chunk, though.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, but we went through that before too.
See, it slides over as you go down. Yeah, but you can move the whole regulator. Oh, I see. Couldn't do before.
Well, that's a plus.
Oh, I see. You can just because this thing's just in. Yeah, yeah, keep it there, so it should just. Well, that's the stopper.
This is fun.
Back one, I don't think the damn handle, the unlock handle is by it because I didn't have all this black.
Oh, you guys are taking glass out of the other one?
Oh, it wasn't black. It was one of the
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Here, see, this is sliding. out.
Yeah, and then you slide the whole thing out.
Hey, you rotate it all out. There you go.
Here we go.
We're doing the dance.
So you're just gonna.
Mike's having fun.
Yeah, but
So is the window not coming out?
We're fighting it.
let me see what you got there.
Oh, here. Can this whole thing go down?
Oh, I guess you felt it. Oh, wait, this is coming out like a prep for a goose.
What did I say earlier? About the hot chili and a wool sock and not getting any on a thread. We're bad. Up. Guys got this?
That doesn't make sense either because.
Yeah. It's,
Wait,
if we can get this up enough, then you can kind of rotate that around to get.
Get it.
Yeah, I have to make sure the regulator.
Let's go see what Scotty's doing. Scotty's making the pretty.
Yeah.
Because he is masterful in his craft.
Yeah. What we're gonna do is slide this out, but we gotta get enough.
The craft!
Yeah, I can go up more if I give me. Oh, it's pushing it.
Bobby, you should try standing here because I'm.
I'm just kind of...
I know, and I'm hogging the best shot of it.
Oh, that's a good shot. Let's back it up and get Andre reading. He's not using a crayon.
Yeah, there. Now.
Oh!
Now,
Now you should. This thing should slide out of that. Should try.
All right, good job.
good job, guys.
Woo! Victory! And don't break that glass, because we ain't find another one.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, we're using all of our Fiat contact.
Did he... Co-
Did you double check that?
No, I haven't tried.
What about Mr. Fiat?
oh my God, look at you. Getting all nervous.
It was gonna break.
Mike's getting nervous.
Well, that on film?
We gotta take.
We do.
You hear the crack? Because I heard someone go. I heard something crack. That was just. It was,
If Mike had pearls, he would have been a clutching.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Alright, do we want to take this off? Like we took the other ones off?
Probably, because I think we got new rubbers for that.
We do. They're upstairs. I remember getting those.
The rubbers and then we got new ones. You could probably reuse this track. Right over there. It's all.
We need a blast.
I got new ones of those
Got it?
too. We'll save that
You
one as a
set it on the,
template.
yeah.
So I guess we got to have everybody learn how to blast right now, yeah?
Somebody's got a blast.
Ooh! Who has not blast?
We should get a vacuum into this door sill too. That's got some shards.
I think Peter should use the bead blaster because Peter likes doing new stuff. It's fun.